Alright, so... Wait, what is this? Something's loading. Oh, it's an app. Dude, how does this got into my computer? Did I install a virus or something? Is this a virus? What 10 options. Right. Ooh, I can press... Oh, I can press this. Can I... Oh, I can slide and press this. Play... Okay. Thunder. Waves. Okay, wind. Alright, it's just sounds and all. Okay, it's not a virus. Fire? Alright, birds. Crickets. Alright. The fire and stuff. Alright. Coffee shop. It sounds more like a store, like, I don't know, but singing bowl. Oh heck no, dude. A white noise. Oh wait. Yo. Gosh, that reminds me of my TV over there. Right, timers. Okay, it's just a timer. Start playing after. Stop playing after. Right, fire. Right, that's gonna end in 5 minutes. Start playing after 5 minutes. Okay, start playing at 0.1 minute. Alright. And there you go, yeah. So that's stop playing and then start playing. Wait, what is fade? Wait, 0.1. Oh my gosh. Yo, that's actually epic. Yo, mixes. I think we do this. So, waves when fire. Running stuff, save. And then if I delete all this, or like put this back, then oh wow, look at that. So it just like just saves some stuff. Random mix. Meditation after. Alright. Random mix. Random mix. Random mix. Yo, that's actually epic. What is this? When the meter is active, the volume of each active sound wanders up and down at random. Right, so. Oh look, it went up. See, it went up. Oh wow. What is this? Delete. Then undo. Alright, oh yeah. Delete and undo. Alright, that's cool. So it's just a sound app. But yeah, that's the end of it. Hope you guys enjoyed. And I'll see you guys next time. Bye.